Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures continue to trade sideways in an attempt to consolidate inside of this box that I put there over a month ago. And it continues to trade exactly in that range. You can see the previous level where the market attempted to consolidate, which failed dismally with a intentional gap lower here, trapping people up in here. The market has then traded back to this level. You can see the close well off that week's low, suggesting that there was buying support emerge, and prices traded sideways in consolidation mode ever since. There's no attempt to push higher here, at least not in the near term. This market is absorbing supply and trying to consolidate and not break down any further. And that's what you're going to see this market doing for a little period of time. There's likely to be resistance above. Selling pressure will emerge if the price does attempt to move above this level, possibly this level. So you'll see this market just consolidating sideways in the near term, attempting to absorb supply and trying not to break down any further or reduce that chance. You can see 2 weeks ago, this up bar did attempt to move higher and it did draw out supply. The market pulled back in response and it spent a little bit further time in consolidation mode. It was able to close a little higher this week than the previous week, but I still think that there's likely to be more to go in this zone here for a little while. And the time will become more obvious when volumes reduce on the down bars through here. So you can see on this bar in particular here, this volume, that's showing you that supply was low. That's why the market did attempt to push higher, but it drew out supply again as it did so. So you'll probably find this market will pull back again, and we'll see how much supply is drawn out this time when the market tests these lows for strength.